Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 8:40 a.m. on May 13th, and a beautiful close yesterday on the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders. You can see we came all the way back up to close almost entirely on our high and right into the face of the 50 MA on a daily chart at the 117.50 mark, which we defined as fairly good resistance yesterday. The round number 118, round number 117 on the way south, two very good flanking numbers to watch out for as support and resistance today. If you look intraday at what's happening, we have tested the 117.70 mark as we work our way up into the 118 area up in here, and we're pulling back into that as support at 117.50. Again, this is just a small little 3-minute chart taking this apart. If you zoom out and maybe even look at a higher time frame, we do have a series of higher swing lows and higher swing highs. And on a 15-minute chart it looks a little bit easier to define, but this is really in a lot of ways a very nice ascending triangle, just even more bullish. So some people might call this a rising wedge of sorts. I would buy that as well, and always need prudence going long or short into a trade. And so we take that into account, and let's take a look at the trend, how the trend closed and traded yesterday. We zoom in here a little bit, scrunch this up. We spent a good part of the day actually around 0.5, a couple notable tests above 1.0, but mainly came all the way back down now and closed in the bullish zone. The trend Q, however, was a little bit overbought in a lot of ways, and at the morning I think these may be erroneous prints. I just can't ever believe it would be that low, but this makes more sense. 0.5, excellent and bullish. And the VIX, even better, beautiful support line at 25, which we had dropped in 26, and the higher time frame shows that nicely. We're below the 200 MA nicely here as well, and we'll be looking for this 25 mark to get taken out. On a daily chart, if you look at this, however, that is really an area of resistance, once broken, becoming support, and that's the flip side of the spiders. Support, once broken, becoming resistance. So we're really going to use some good prudence here as we work forward going long, and we know where we're looking for support in these numbers. 117, actually, let me define this a little bit better. Good area of support just below 117 as well, so this becomes an area, and through here as well, this is a good one. And that's about 116.50, so resistance, broken, support. These are the things I'm looking for as I define these numbers. No matter how scrunched up the chart gets, you can see these areas of price action, and that becomes, again, something that I watch very carefully, and it makes it a little bit easier to decide how I'm going to trade short or trade long into those numbers, always using a good pattern and protective stops, of course. Protect your capital and live to fight another day, and work in an environment that does that, and you'll be dancing. So good stuff, everybody. Nice working with everybody this week, and I'll talk to you soon.